Yo, what's good everybody, and welcome back to the channel. It's your boy JP, back with another video. At this point I should just name myself the Danny Duncan Mystery Box Opener because that's all I've been posting recently. Most of you know that I have a pretty demanding job now, and the only reason I even have time to do this is because your boy has the vid. He has the I have COVID, unfortunately. It's been around 9 days since I got it though, so I'm starting to feel pretty much back to myself, luckily. Knock on wood. I didn't get seriously sick or anything like that, so that's good, I guess, for me. But like I said earlier, you know, I got the Danny Duncan mystery box here. This is the Christmas one, the last one of this year, I believe. So yeah, I mean, I decided to get it. I'm making enough money to do that, to where I can just buy it and open it for, you know, a YouTube video. Not trying to gloat or anything like that. I'm just simply stating that I probably won't wear much of this stuff, and the reason being is because I dress pretty nice now. Not that this isn't nice clothing, I just dress in like dress clothes most of the time because it's what I have to do for work. Don't skip this because, you know, I'm trying to just get into this. I know I'm probably boring, but I haven't made a video in a long time. It's been about like 70 days, so without further ado, let's get right into this. Hopefully you guys enjoy. Let's do it. Before we go any farther, let me know in the comments if you found my channel through Danny Duncan mystery boxes. I'm actually curious just because I've gained so many subscribers off of Danny Duncan mystery boxes, and I've also just gotten so many views. So even if you're not subscribed, just let me know if you found my channel through like Danny Duncan mystery boxes or not. So I just cut this open. My first look. Oh my god, I might actually have to keep that. Honestly, I might have to keep that. Okay, so last year, let's see, last year I got a snowman ornament, and I thought it was a scented like window or mirror thing for your car, and I smelt it and I was like, yo, it smells like peppermint. Everyone just clowned me in the comments because it wasn't scented. I swear it smelled like peppermint though. Not that I literally could not smell this if it was scented, but I do believe this is an ornament. So y'all gonna catch me putting this on my tree at the end of this video. You already know the vibes. So up next we do have this beanie right here. We're gonna open it up because why the hell not? What do I have to lose? You know what I'm saying? If I can, there we go. All right, so your boy got that open. It's just, you know, a white beanie, says Danny Duncan on it. I don't really be wearing beanies like that. I feel like I can't even see myself right now. That's the problem. I feel like I'm about to just go and rob someone, or I feel like I just look like an old woman. Honestly, I don't know. It's just something about beanies. I just can't wear them. I don't look good in them. I did say that about this trucker hat too, and honestly, it doesn't look too bad backwards. So, well, I don't think it does. You guys probably think I look like a fucking clown, but that's okay. Okay, so this is the one that I might just have to keep this one, if I'm being 100% honest. Oh, my guy Papa Jim. I love the color of this shirt too. Let's just see this. World's best pop. Oh yeah. I mean, that's just gas. I mean, you can't not want to wear this. You know what I'm saying? Like this is going down as one of the most iconic things in the world. Papa Jim. Like Papa Jim is just one of the most iconic figures in the world. You can't really fight it. Alright, so we got some socks right here, pretty similar to the ones I gave away like last Christmas. I gave away some Virginity Rock socks. I mean, it's just some I Love Hot Mom socks. I'll give you guys a little close up of those. Oh, am I that boring? So we got some I Love Hot Mom socks. I probably won't wear them, but you already know. And lastly, we got a hoodie, which, when it comes down to it, the box wasn't horrible, I guess. The Papa Jim shirt's pretty dope. But then we got this hoodie, and if I'm being 100% honest, I'm probably going to give this to my sister for Christmas or something. I know she's obviously going to be watching this, but she just wears this kind of stuff still. I just don't. So I'll probably end up giving this to you for Christmas, Maddie. You're welcome. I'm such a good big brother. So here's one of your Christmas presents. Hope it doesn't spoil it. So, yeah, let's get to the outro. Alright, Joe, if you made it all the way to the end, you are a real one, and I appreciate you for watching. For those of you that watch my channel, like, consistently, that every time I post, you actually click on it and watch the video, I apologize for not posting. It is just something that, obviously I could control, I could post more, and, honestly, there's nobody to blame but myself for not posting more. The reason I don't post more is because, honestly, I kind of lost a drive for YouTube. Not that it's not something I don't want to do. I do want to do YouTube, I just don't have that much content to make anymore. I'm not doing Supreme drops like I used to. I'm not doing, several different things that I used to do, so it sucks at the same time, but it's just kind of where my life has gone now. Working a full-time job and whatnot, it's definitely pretty demanding. I'm 19, decided not to go back to college, and I'm making decent money, so it is what it is. But everyone, if you made it to this point in the video, go comment Ella. Go comment Ella in the comments. Okay, this beautiful angel right here, her name is Ella. She wants nothing more than for you guys to go and comment Ella in the comments. If you comment Ella in the comments, I'll know that you guys made it to this point in the video, and that you are indeed a real one. Now, stay tuned as me and Ella put this Danny Duncan ornament on the beautiful, beautiful Christmas tree over there. Stay tuned. Alright, Joe, so this is me and my girlfriend's, little tree right here. Kind of a mess in the room currently, so don't mind that. But, yeah, we gonna put my boy Danny front and center in this hoe. You already know the vibes. You're going right, oh, sorry. You're going right there. There we go. That's where Danny's going. That's where Danny's gonna stay. So yeah, well, anyways, hopefully you guys enjoyed. I'll see you guys in the next one. If there is ever a next one. Hopefully there is, though. Alright, y'all, I'll see you guys in the next one. I really appreciate you guys watching and tuning in. There'll be another video at some point, whether it's another Danny Duncan mystery box or Thread Beast or something. I do actually have a Thread Beast box that I could open. I got a referral, like someone used my code, so let me know in the comments if you guys would want me to open that, or if you even want me to keep making content, like if my OG viewers are still here, let me know in the comments, because I'm a little on the edge of if I want to keep doing this or not, so let me know in the comments. But yeah, I appreciate you guys. See you guys in the next one. As always, stay hype. Peace!